Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I want to show you how you can create yourself a personal pop-up for your site in a Mailchimp. So all you want to do, be in a home and then create on the right upper corner. Then what you want to do is click on a sign up form. Scroll down the sign up form and then you want to click on a pop-up form. Okay, you can choose your list where you want to, when you have your audience, where it's going to be, but we have none right now. Click on a begin. When we click on the begin, we will see it here. The first option is to have it in a middle of your site, fixed down below, which I don't recommend at all because people will see it as a cookies, so they will just click off, or slide. Right here. I like the bottom one on the slide only because it's not that pushy and the customers won't feel threatened to leave the site, and it's much better. Now what you can do is display is immediately when someone comes on your site, after 5 seconds of your site, 20 seconds, scroll to middle of the page or scroll to bottom of the page. I recommend honestly scroll to bottom of a page because if someone is reading your blog and it's really exciting, they will subscribe to your monthly newsletter or on exit when they will be leaving on site. You need to try more of these and you will see the best results. You need to really do the A/B testing. Now you will have an option how it's going to slide. I like top one the most. The next thing you want to do is to change the font if you want. Then you can also change the picture and button style, alignment, left, center, or right. I like the left one the most because it's the most close to the text. Fields, I recommend only having an email address and nothing more. Don't put last name or whatever there. And the last one is the content. As you can see, subscribe to our monthly newsletter and get awesome emails. Thank you for subscribing if they are going to subscribe. And now what you want to do is to replace it if you want, or just delete it and nothing will be there. But I recommend edge to edge. And when you have it, all you want to do is publish. You're about to save and publish these changes to your subscriber pop-up form. Publish. And we will call. So now you will have a code here. All you want to do is take the code, copy it on your WordPress site, Wix site, or whatever site you have, paste it on to your HTML code, and here you go, baby. Here you go. So this is how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support me with subscribe. I'll be really honestly thankful for that. And yeah, bye bye. Goodbye, my lover.